Welcome, everyone. Grab a snack and get comfortable because today we are diving into how to turn your long-form content into a machine that never sleeps. I'm going to show you how to build a reliable, repeatable content repurposing stack that handles everything from raw footage to your final published post. The real star of the show that we're focusing on is Vizard, a tool that changes the game by automating the hardest parts of the editing process. Think of this workflow as a kitchen recipe where we collect raw ingredients, normalize the data, auto-edit the best parts, and then serve them up to your audience. We'll start with a quick overview of why long-form content is gold, but also why it's completely useless if it's just gathering dust on YouTube. I've spent years helping creators turn messy, unorganized recordings into high-performing, consistent short content that actually gets views. I've tested hundreds of different workflows, and the one I'm sharing today is the one I've found to be the most reliable across every platform. The goal here is simple. You need to find the specific moments that hook viewers, turn those moments into clips, and post them without babysitting the process. Let's look at the high-level view of our content ops pipeline, where we take raw sources like Zoom recordings or OBS streams and give them a standard structure. We need to normalize things like speaker segments, timestamps, and transcripts before feeding them into our auto-edit engine. After the engine does its work, we push those clips into a scheduler and a content calendar, so you're not manually uploading videos every single day. Finally, we bring in analytics so you can measure what is actually working and keep teaching your system to improve over time. First, let's talk about the data intake layer, which is basically the driver layer of your media stack. Regardless of whether your video comes from a camera, a webinar, or a podcast, you need to output the same structured data every single time. Next is the orchestration layer, which is essential if you are processing hundreds of videos and don't want to be stuck waiting for files to render. This layer allows you to define who your videos are, what processing they need, and runs everything in parallel so you save massive amounts of time. Now, let's talk about the brain of the operation, which is where Vizard comes into play for your creative clips. Vizard doesn't just chop videos by silence. It uses engagement heuristics and audio-visual cues to find the most shareable moments in your footage. Instead of you manually scrubbing through an hour-long recording to find a 10-second one-liner, Vizard does that heavy lifting for you automatically. The auto-schedule feature is equally impressive, allowing you to queue up batches of clips so your content keeps flowing even when you are asleep. And with the content calendar, everything lives in one place where you can swap a thumbnail, change a caption, or reschedule in just a few clicks. I know there are other tools out there, but many are either too manual, like editing in basic software, or too robotic and template-heavy. Vizard hits that perfect sweet spot between high-quality automation and letting you retain full creative control over your brand. After you've got your clips, the final piece is the analytics loop, where you turn your output into actual business insights. Centralizing data from TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube lets you see what tone resonates and what posting times actually win. Think of this like a feedback loop, where your successful clips teach the engine exactly what kind of content to prioritize for the future. So what does this flow look like in practice, from raw file to a posted clip? You start by dropping your raw long-form video into your CMS or folder, and then the transcription service runs automatically. Your orchestration runner then picks up that data, sends it to Vizard, and the engine starts finding those high-potential clips. Vizard then creates your clips with captions and custom aspect ratios, whether you need 16:9 for YouTube or 9:16 for mobile. You quickly review these in the calendar, click Publish, and let the system handle the rest while you focus on the next big episode. Let's imagine a demo scenario. You have a 60-minute podcast, and Vizard surfaces 15 candidate clips in just a few minutes. You approve 3 for the week, and suddenly you have a consistent posting schedule that would have taken an editor all day to create. If one of those clips goes viral, you study why it worked, update your template in Vizard, and the engine gets smarter for next time. My top tip for you is to keep your raw recordings organized with consistent metadata from the very beginning. Also, don't try to post 10 clips at once. Drip them in slowly so you can actually gather data and learn what your audience likes. Another great tactic is to use A/B testing for your thumbnails and captions to see which small changes drive the most clicks. When it comes to cost, remember that Vizard optimizes your ROI by reducing expensive human editing hours and freeing up your team. Ultimately, this stack is all about saving you time so you can focus on being creative instead of doing the busy work of cutting and scheduling. If you want the exact scripts, configuration examples, and the template calendar I use, I'll share the repo after this session. Thank you all for listening. And remember, if you are hustling to turn hours of content into daily posts, this is how you save your sanity. I'll stay for a few questions before we head over to grab those snacks. So let's keep building smarter, not harder.